Hi everyone! Welcome back to Club de Inglés, your space to learn simple, real English that you can actually use. In today's English lesson, we're going to practice speaking English with real taxi conversations. These are situations we all face, like going to the train station, the hospital, the airport, or the shopping mall. So if you're wondered, what should I say in a taxi? Or how do I ask for directions in English? This video is perfect for you. You'll learn how to ask for a taxi politely, give directions in English, ask about the price and travel time, have a simple, polite conversation with a taxi driver, and feel more confident speaking English in public. These conversations use basic English vocabulary, simple sentence structures, and everyday expressions. So they are ideal for English beginners who want to improve fluency. And remember, the best way to learn English is to practice speaking English out loud. Be sure to watch, listen carefully, and repeat after me in each scene. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and more ready to speak English in the real world. Let's get started. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, of course. What do you need? I need a taxi, please. Sure. Where would you like to go? I want to go to the train station. No problem. Let me call a taxi for you. The taxi will be here in 5 minutes. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Do you need help with your bags? No, thank you. I can carry them. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Where are you going today? To the train station, please. Okay. Do you have a specific route you prefer? No, just the fastest way, please. All right, let's go. Please put on your seatbelt. Sure, thank you. Excuse me, is this the way to the station? Yes, but there is traffic ahead. Do you want to take a different route? Yes, can we go through Main Street? Sure, turn left at the next light, right? Yes, then go straight and turn right after the park. Got it. Thanks for the directions. How long will it take to get there? About 20 minutes, depending on traffic. Okay, and how much does it usually cost? Usually around 12 to 15. That's fine, I have cash. Perfect. I also accept card if you prefer. Cash is good. Thank you. We've arrived. This is the train station. Great. Thank you very much. How much is it? It's 13 today. Here you go. Here's 15. Please keep the change. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you have a nice trip. Thanks. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Hello. I'd like to book a taxi. Sure. Where are you now? I am at Green Hill Hotel. Where are you going? To the city mall, please. Okay. The driver will arrive in 10 minutes. What's your name? Alicia. Thank you. You're welcome. Is this your first time in the city? Yes, it's my first visit. It's very busy. Yes, traffic is always like this. Do you like driving a taxi? I do. I meet many people every day. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me and practice like you're really in a taxi. I need a taxi, please. To the hospital. How long will it take? How much is it? Turn right at the corner, please. Thank you. Keep the change. Now switch roles. You're the driver. Listen and respond. Good morning. Where would you like to go? Would you like to go the fast way or the cheap way? The fare is 14. Thank you. Now you are the passenger. I want to go to the hotel, please. Can you go through the park road? How long will it take? Great job practicing with Alicia today. Which taxi phrase was new for you? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more speaking practice every week.